So that was a sneak peek of our Triund trip, and we're actually heading there now. It's Friday and we're doing a complete backpack trip. It's we haven't booked a hotel or anything or camping site or anything actually. Just booked a bus, got onto the car, now heading to the bus station, getting on the bus, and we'll figure everything else out there. We're meeting two of our cousins at the bus station, and so it's gonna be fun. We're excited. Very impromptu trip, but it's gonna be very much fun. Now I took this trip because, like, for two reasons. Obviously I needed a vacation and I needed to meet all these people, and we've been planning a vacation for a long time, but I just bought the OnePlus 6, right? All of you know that. Now I'm thinking, why not do a review on a travel trip of sorts, right? Like, how does it do when you're out somewhere, when you can't charge your phone for a long time, how the camera does and all that. So we're gonna figure that out in this video. So keep watching and subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. And just an update, I've just left from home and it's at 100% at 5 o'clock. So we'll see how long it lasts. Now we are rolling or recording from the OnePlus 6 because we can't take out our camera everywhere. But that's the great part, because OnePlus 6 records with 4K on 60 FPS. I only need 1080p, so it's good enough. And yeah, we are at Uda and we are heading to Kashmiri Gate to catch our bus. Majnu Gatila Volvo. We're on wait, what is the place? Kashmiri Gate. And we have no idea how to get to the Volvo bus point, because this is the first time all of us are coming here. And look at this place. It's like in the middle of a highway or something, I don't know.
ये सही मिल गया हमें।
कहाँ है हमारी बस? Good morning or good evening, depends on whenever you're watching this. But we are here, we are in McLeod Ganj finally. It took us around exactly 12 hours to get here, with a half an hour, 40-minute break for dinner. And guess what, like, we started at 5 from home, and the battery in my phone lasted from 5 to 5 a.m., 5 p.m. to 5 a.m. and it was still at 70% after recording a lot of videos, after taking a lot of pictures, after playing games, Instagram, Snapchat, whatnot, still at 70-something%. But I'm a paranoid kid, so I charged it all over again. It's somewhere around 90% right now. So yeah, we're gonna see how it does the rest of the day, but battery is awesome in OnePlus 6. And another update is that we were 5 people supposed to travel to McLeod Ganj, but one of my cousins, they couldn't get onto the bus. So yeah, we are waiting for them at this restaurant somewhere in Mall Road, McLeod Ganj, and we're gonna have some breakfast, change quickly, and then go to Triund, I guess, or explore the city. So I'll see you next there. We have stopped at Shiva Cafe, which is above Bangsu Falls. I don't know what they're called, Bangsu something falls. and it's the most peaceful and the prettiest cafe I've seen in such a long time. I'll show you the clips. Some of them I've taken from the OnePlus 6 and some of them I'll take from the camera, so we can compare the quality. And yeah, and the battery update is it's at 56% and it's around, and I've been clicking a lot of pictures. I'll put all of them, not all of them, but like most of them on the video. This is the place, and there's so many pretty paintings all around the area, and it's so cool here. Like, it's not sunny at all. I'm excited. And this place is known for its wood-fired pizza, so we've just ordered two. I'll show you what they look like. Finally at Triund checkpoint, which is called Galu Temple or something. What is it called? Galu Temple. And it was a crazy ride. We took a car, thankfully, because otherwise we would have died. We wouldn't have been able to. And it's still day one. We reached this morning. And after finishing Bangsu Falls and Shiva Cafe and all that, we walked back. And now we are going to Triund, and it's a 3 to 4 hour trek or hike up, and we are already so exhausted. Look at us, exhausted, and we have lots of luggage, lots of bags and whatnot. I don't know how we'll be able to do it, but I really want to do it. And the update on OnePlus 6 is that the battery is still around 50%, and I don't think we're staying in camps, so we're staying in tents, so we won't be able to charge them or whatever. But let's see, I'm excited. We're gonna vlog and something later also. And we've bought sticks to help us climb up. Let's see, it's a crazy climb. It's been an hour we've been climbing up, hiking up for Triund, and this is the front camera of OnePlus 6. Not bad, huh? In low light, relatively low light, there's no sun. It's around 4:30 right now, but good enough. Okay, Triund height. Check 2. The two of my cousins have, like, they went ahead, really ahead of us. We're going slow, but we're going strong, and I think we're not that far behind. It's not going to be very far. It's been almost 2 hours, and I'm still very energetic. Let's go. So we've covered half our journey to Triund, right? Yep. Where are we going? Can you show us? Where do we have to go? Wait, let me zoom in. Do you guys see? Oh, it's not even that tiny bit. It's not even visible in the camera. Not visible, but the top of that hill. Let's do it. Can we do it? Almost there. We've been walking for 3.5 hours. Almost there. This should be the last check-in before we reach Triund, because it's been 4 hours, more than 4 hours, and we've almost hit sunset also, like, yeah, sort of. And we're sitting here taking a break, waiting for Sakshi and Smriti to get to us, and then we're gonna start. They're gonna take a break, and then we're doing a tag team of sorts. So yeah, let's see if we submit right after this. Right after sunset, we made it to Triund finally. And we're still waiting for Sakshi and Smriti. They should be here any minute. But I'll show you our tents. It's somewhere on top there. We have to climb a little more. But yes, we finally made it. What's the time? Time is
7:47.
7:47. We made it in 4.5 hours. Oh my god, insane. Anyway, so we're excited. I don't know if we're gonna be able to shoot more, because there are no lights, there's no network, there's nothing here. But yeah, I'm excited for this, and sunrise would be awesome here because this is literally on top of the mountain, and this is the first time I'm camping on top of a mountain. So, okay. And to update about OnePlus, it's at 27%, and we don't have power banks, we don't have charging places, or we don't have network either. So I'm gonna save that battery for tomorrow's sunrise and to get foothill again, to get to the foothills again, and or to McLeod Ganj at least, and then call everyone at home and let them know that we are safe. Good morning, you guys. Okay, so it's not even morning, for complete morning yet. It's not even 5 a.m. But we don't want to miss the sunrise, and so we're all out. See, because we couldn't sleep all night. We had a crazy night. They gave us a tent for 5 people. Like they stuffed 5 people in one tent, and we kept asking them for another, but they're like, you know, they were hell-bent on convincing us, no, you can sleep and all that. So yeah, next level bonding experience for all the cousins. Anyway, that was happening, and then at around 12:30, we realized there's something on our feet. And one of us gets up and sees that 2 big Himalayan dogs are chilling on our feet. They're like taking a nap on our feet in the middle of the night. So that was crazy. And so that kept happening. They kept coming back in. And one of them even peed inside our tent. So yuck, yes, yeah. So we're very disgusted. We can't wait to go home. But this was worth it. So yeah. Okay, so the sun is taking forever to show up because there are like huge mountains here. So we can't see the sun yet. Till then, I'll give you the OnePlus 6 update. I'm disappointed now because I switched it off at around 20-something% last night, and I tried to like switch it on right now to take pictures of the sunset, sunrise and all that, and it's saying battery too low to switch it on, which is disappointing. It's disappointing. And we are heading back from Triund. The sun is out, and somewhere up there was a camp. Okay, bye bye. Let's see how quickly we can cover the downhill. Downhill check-in in 1 hour, 10 minutes. We crossed. We've come to the midway. Yesterday it took us 3 hours to come to the midway uphill. Yay! We came down in 2 hours, and now we're heading to Dharamkot pizza area, which is a really cool pizza place, like the original pizza place in Dharamkot near McLeod. And we're gonna try wood-fired pizzas there. So yeah, we'll keep you updated on that. I'm back home finally from the trip to Triund and McLeod Ganj, and it was really exhausting but so exhilarating. I had so much fun. I can't wait for more treks and hikes and to go back to the mountains again. I wasn't a mountain person until this trip, and I'm really excited for that. Now, to give you a quick review on the OnePlus 6, I did not encounter a lot of problems except for the one with the battery that I switched it off at around 20-something% the night before we went downhill, like we came back to McLeod, and I was saving that battery to get good sunrise shots, but when in the morning I tried to switch it on, it said that I have very low battery to switch it on again. So that was a pain. Other than that, the other issue that I encountered, I don't know why it was, but my cousin has a OnePlus 5T and I have a OnePlus 6, and we both have Airtel SIMs, but still I had no network throughout. He had network even at the top of the hill. So I don't know if that's the SIM problem that I have or the handset problem, I don't know. Let me know what you think, why I had that issue. Other than that, the OnePlus 6 took really good pictures, and so did OnePlus 5T and the iPhone 8 Plus that we had on board. But OnePlus 6 had really good portrait mode, and also image stabilization was really good. So when I was taking videos with that while moving downhill, it looked like I'm holding a gimbal, like my phone's on a gimbal. It was so smooth, and I love that about this. So I can vlog whenever I don't have my camera or don't want to take my camera out. And oh god, can you see I'm like literally melting here? It's so hot in Delhi. I really want to go back to the hills. Anyway, yeah, so that's that, and I hope you like this video. Let me know if you want me to do more travel videos or more videos on the OnePlus 6, if you want to know anything more about it, how it's doing. I'm going to do a full review later on, a long-term review. But till then, whatever you think, let me know in the comment section below, and I'll see you next time. Until then, all I'm asking you to do is pick better.